Highway surveyors play a crucial role in the construction and maintenance of our roadways. One such experienced and skilled highway surveyor is Ram Puri. With years of experience in the field, Ram Puri has become a well-known name in the industry for his expertise and precision in surveying highways. His attention to detail and commitment to delivering accurate results has made him a trusted professional in the field. Ram Puri's expertise lies in conducting comprehensive surveys to determine the best routes for highways. He analyzes various factors such as topography, soil conditions, and existing infrastructure to design the most efficient and cost-effective highways. By studying the land and conducting extensive surveys, he ensures that the highways are built with minimum disruption to the environment and surrounding communities. In addition to designing new highways, Ram Puri also plays a crucial role in conducting surveys for maintenance and repair work. He assesses the condition of existing highways, identifying areas that require attention. This helps in ensuring the safety of motorists and preventing any accidents or mishaps on the road. Ram Puri's meticulous approach to surveying ensures that all necessary repairs are identified and addressed promptly. Ram Puri's work extends beyond just surveying. He collaborates with engineers, architects, and other professionals involved in highway construction to ensure that the project is executed smoothly. His expertise in surveying helps in creating accurate designs and blueprints, which serve as a guide for the construction process. Ram Puri's commitment to his work is evident through his dedication to continuous learning and staying updated with the latest advancements in surveying technology. Through his meticulous approach and commitment to quality, Ram Puri ensures that our roadways are safe, efficient, and well-maintained. Highway surveyors are essential to the development and upkeep of our roads. Ram Puri is one such knowledgeable and skilled highway surveyor. Ram Puri has built a solid reputation in the business for his skill and accuracy in surveying highways, thanks to his many years of experience in the sector. He is a respected expert in the area, thanks to his attention to detail and dedication to providing precise results. The finest highway routes can be found by performing in-depth surveys, which is Ram Puri's area of expertise. To create the most effective and affordable highways, he considers a variety of variables, including terrain, soil properties, and existing infrastructure. He makes sure the roadways are built with the least amount of harm to the environment and neighboring towns, by analyzing the area and carrying out thorough studies. Ram Puri plays a significant role in performing surveys for maintenance and repair work in addition to building new roadways. He evaluates the state of the current highways, pointing out trouble spots. This aids in guaranteeing driver security and avoiding any mistakes or accidents on the road. Ram Puri's rigorous surveying technique makes sure that any required repairs are found and taken care of right away. The work of Ram Puri goes beyond simple surveying. To guarantee that the project is completed successfully, he works with engineers,